Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Reading with Miss Cervantes. And I'm very excited that you can join me today. And today we're going to use two stories for our activity. The story of Keisha Ann and School Day. I am going to share my screen so I can share with you guys what are we doing today. All right. So let me make this big. Perfect. Alrighty. All right, so for this week, our essential question is, what will I discover in kindergarten? So for lesson 5, our objective is I can answer questions and make connections using text evidence. So we're going to use the story of School Day and Keisha and Can. All right. But before that, I like to go over some power words, how we call it, or vocabulary words. So the first word is plan. Can you say plan? Good job. So plan is when you make a plan, you think about how to do something before you do it. So you kind of think before you do stuff. That is what describes the word plan. The next one is polite. Can you say polite? Great. If you are polite, you are kind to others and have good manners. So it's when you say please and thank you and excuse me and I'm sorry. That's being polite. The next word is share. When two people share something, they both have or use it. So share means when you are sharing your toys, you are sharing your books, or you're also sharing kind words and kind thoughts with other people. So those are the three main words for this week or for today. But I just want to say we read about Keisha and Can and also about a girl in School Day right here. And we read everything about what they can do at school. So today, each of you is going to write something you can do at school, or in this case, if you are online, one of the things that you can do at home related to school. So I'm gonna ask you to pull that paper or this paper from your packet, and we're going to use that page to do our writing activity. So we're going to connect our reading stories with some writing activities. So our sentence will start with a side word that it's I. I is a letter, but it's also a word. And let me switch my camera. So while I'm switching my camera, I will allow for you to go get pencil and to go get the paper that we're going to need. Okay, perfect. Here it is. So remember, I would love for you to use pencil. I am going to use a dark black marker, which in this case, I'm going to use a Sharpie. And we will start with our drawing. So in here it says, draw a picture of something you can do at school. What are the things? If you are in person on Wednesday, you can actually say, I paint, I built, I write, I read. If you are at home, you can say, I write, because you're used to doing work for school. You can also do I read. And if you have toys, you can also say, I built. So I am going to use I built something. So I'm just going to use rectangle shapes for my blocks, and I'm gonna say I built a tower. Remember, you don't have to do the same thing as Miss Cervantes is doing. I would love for you to use your imagination and draw something that you did at home or did at school the past week. So I built, and I'm gonna draw it myself. Here's my face, my eyes, and then my mouth, and then, oh, my mouth turned like all black. Hopefully I don't look that scary. All right, here's my hair, and then I'm gonna use triangle for my body. And then here's my feet. Now, if you're a boy, if you can do rectangle shape for your body instead of a triangle. Here we go. I'm gonna put pockets in my dress. There we go. So that is me. Now remember the word that says I. Can everybody say I? Good job. And then words have spaces between, and to help me remember, I'm going to use my finger to space my words out. So what did Miss Cervantes did at school? I built. Now, if you don't know how to write your words, just try your best. But I am going to use letter sounds to make my word. B, build, b, built. What letter makes the b sound? B, and I'm going to use little letters, which is lowercase letters. Now I'm going to take my finger out because I already have my space in there. I build. Okay, I build. I hear it in there. Build, old. What letter makes the old sound? L. I build. What's the ending sound? Build. D. Good job. And later on in the year, we are going to talk about that a complete sentence ends, or a message ends with a period. Can you say period? Good job. When we are writing words, we always make the letter sounds, and we say the word as many times as you can for you to hear those letter sounds, and then you can write the letter on your paper. So even if some of the sounds in the word are silent, that's okay. We're just looking for you to put sounds together so you can read and write as well. All right, you can color your pictures. I'm gonna color mine very quick. So my blocks are brown, but if you're using little blocks to build stuff, there are multiple colors. So blocks is not a living thing, so it can be any color. All right, now I'm wearing a black dress today, so I'm just gonna color my dress black. My shoes are red today, so I'm just gonna color them red. There we go. Alrighty, that's all I have for you guys. I'm gonna switch my camera really quick to just say bye-bye. And I hope you guys enjoyed both of my stories. Get ready for tomorrow. There are gonna be 2 new stories tomorrow. And there's some beautiful, beautiful messages in those stories. So I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.